Hi, I just received my Varsity Vox Box from Influenza, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Give me a second. Alright, so nail dress, 5 reasons to get it. This is a coupon, save $1, bop, bop, bop. This is the Varsity Vox Box, say 2013. Tide Pods is in it, which is cool. Pretty cool, one big ass capsule. It's pretty dope. Oh, nail dress fashion sticks. These is not cute though. I'm not even gonna lie. I would never go nowhere with these on my fingers. But I guess stickers or something. I don't know. Claricel. Oh, there's little packets in it. Claricel. Refreshing something. But there's stuff in it. Yeah. They gave me 3 of them. They must adore me to give me a bag full of candy, yo. Oh my god, they must know, 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 they must know. Yo. And this bold New York something. Let me read it. Hold on, guys.
We open the candy.
Yeah, see him scheming on the candy. Oh gosh, you gotta wait your turns. Keep calm. Pleasantly plump pink. I don't know why they would give me pink. She hates pink. Everyone knows she hates pink. It's new. It says new. I don't know if I can see that, but I think it's like lip gloss or something. All right, so that's all that came in it, and it's pretty dope. And I love influencer, and yeah, I'm an influencer, so yeah.